Hello guys, today we are going to be talking about 77 bits, okay? And this is a gaming MMORPG on your browser, okay? So they have an airdrop going on right now which we can participate in right through our website. So what do we have to do? And also I'll be leaving all the links in the description below, okay? So just click on the link and you're going to be seeing all these links. I'll be talking about 2 airdrops today, okay? These are very simple airdrops we can all do. It takes less than 5 minutes to complete them, okay? So when you get here, connect your Twitter account, okay? You can sign in with other options, okay? But since you are new, just connect with your X account. You can also use your Telegram or your EVM wallet, which is your MetaMask or any other wallet you have. So when you get here, just connect with your Twitter, okay? Click on continue. Okay, so after connecting your Twitter accounts, you're going to be brought to this page, okay? Click on start mining, okay? Okay, so you just come here every 8 hours and claim your mining, okay? You can play the game, which will be coming out very soon, okay? And see it's off. The game is now right here. You can also invite your friends. Do daily checking. Don't forget this, okay? Come here, claim your daily rewards every day. Hey, and I can show you. You see, these are very simple tasks. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes, okay? You can come here also, complete all these missions, okay? Complete all these missions. Don't forget, and it's very easy. You can also buy boosts, okay? You can buy boosts. I think there is a boost you can buy for $6, which will automate your claiming and mining, okay? But if you don't have the funds, you can just go ahead and use the free version, okay? You can come here every 8 hours, claim your points, start it again, okay? If you wish to purchase, you can purchase it. You complete all these quests. Make sure you complete the mission. Do daily check-in. Okay, don't forget your daily check-in. Write it down so you don't forget. Okay, don't forget this. Write it down. That's what I do. I jot all my projects down. Okay, I'm going to be talking about 2 airdrops in this. So that's all for 77 bits. Okay, just sign every 8 hours, claim your points, and you are done. Okay, so let's talk about the second airdrop also. Okay, so the next airdrop I want to talk about is LayerEdge. Okay, LayerEdge testnets. Okay, they are building a Bitcoin-backed internet using trust, minimized verification, and proof aggregation for all layers and apps. Okay, built on Babylonlabs. Babylonlabs raised, I think, 90 million or 80 million. I don't remember. Okay, but our focus is on LayerEdge. Okay, and you can see they have an incentivized testnet, okay, and we can join phase 1. Okay, I posted this on my Telegram channel yesterday. If you see this today, make sure you join phase 1. Okay, I think phase 1 was open from it's been 4 days, or yes, 4 days now since phase 1 started. Okay, so we are very early. Make sure you join before the 28th of January, okay, to be part of phase 1. The testnet is not ending now, but to be recognized as an early adopter, just join phase 1, okay? So how do you join this? Go to the LayerEdge website. I'll be leaving the link in the description. When you come on the website, just connect your wallet, enter referral code, okay? Make sure you use my referral code, okay? So you support me in return, thank you. Click on continue. Okay, let the referral code validate. So when you input your referral code, just come here, click on start node. And sometimes your node is not going to start right away, okay? So don't worry, just keep on clicking it, okay? Keep on clicking and your node is going to work. If you are on a device, I don't know, most of the phones, connecting on it is very difficult. Even on PC, it's very difficult. Yesterday, I tried so many times before I could connect, okay? So when you come here, click on start node. You see my node is not connecting. Keep on, okay, let's see. You have to keep on trying and trying, okay? Just after you click start node, come back every 24 hours and restart your node again, okay? So you have from now till 28 to be part of phase 1, okay? That's all for this airdrop.